Good morning, class. Please sit down and take out your writing books. Today we are going to answer a comprehension test. Do you all remember how to read and answer a comprehension as we discussed in the last week's class? Okay, good. Can someone please hand out these printed comprehensions for me? Leave the comprehension face down until I tell you to turn it over. While I read the comprehension, I will write the questions down on the board with a mark allocation next to it. You do not need to take down these questions. Just write down your answers in blue pen. Please answer in full sentences, no one-word answers. Please let me know if any of you cannot see the board or read questions clearly. If any of you cannot see properly, I will read the questions out aloud after you have all read your comprehension, which should not have taken you more than 10 minutes. Does everyone have a comprehension which consists of 2 pages? Please check it now. Do all of you have your writing books to write down your answers? If you do not have your writing book, please come to the front to fetch paper to answer your questions on. I will give you 1 minute to write down the date. Next line, comprehension. Next line, informal test. Please underline all of the above. Write down your name as well if you are using paper and not your writing book. Turn over your comprehension papers and you may begin. Your time is up. Please put down your pens and pass your answer books to the front of the class. The person in the front will collect all the books. Let's recap what you should have done, even though you should already know this from previous lessons. In the first 10 minutes, you should have all read the comprehensions and understood it well. Thereafter, you should have read through all the questions and then read the comprehension again, keeping the questions in mind and looking for answers. You should have read the questions thoroughly more than once before answering. After you have done that, you will be able to answer the questions one at a time, easily and in full sentences. If you have followed all these steps and remembered what you have had to do for the comprehension test, then you will be very likely to receive high marks for your comprehension test. If anyone has further questions, I will be happy to answer them for the remaining 5 minutes of our class.